a helping hand at the laundromat.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What's the problem?
This washing machine doesn't work.
Oh, what did you do?
I put my clothes in and my soap, but it won't start.
Did you put money in?
Yes, I put in $1 bill, but nothing happened.
Ah, I see. These machines don't take bills. They only take quarters.
Quarters? Oh no, I don't have any coins.
Don't worry. There is a change machine on the wall over there.
A change machine? That's wonderful.
Yes, you can put your dollar bills in and you will get quarters back.
Thank you so much. How many quarters do I need?
You need 12 quarters for one wash. That's $3.
Okay, 12 quarters. Thank you for your help.
No problem at all. Are you new to this neighborhood?
Yes, I am. I just moved to Chicago from Mexico. My name is Elena.
Welcome. I'm Tom. It's nice to meet you, Elena.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Using the laundromat is easy once you know how.
I am happy you were here to help me.
After you get the coins, it's a piece of cake.
Thank you again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Asking for directions to the library. Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Can you help me?
I can try. Where are you trying to go?
I am looking for the main public library. My map app isn't working.
Oh, the big library on Jefferson Street. You are close.
That's good to hear. Can you give me directions?
Of course. It's pretty simple. We are on Park Avenue now.
Okay. Park Avenue. I see the sign.
You need to go straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Go straight for 2 blocks. Got it.
Then you will see a big bank at the corner. Turn right there.
So turn right at the bank.
Yes. After you turn right, walk for 1 more block.
Okay. 1 more block.
The library is a very large white building. You can't miss it.
A big white building. That sounds easy.
It is. It's a walk in the park from here.
How long will it take to walk there?
Maybe 10 minutes. It's not far at all.
This is so helpful. I was walking in the wrong direction.
Don't mention it. I'm happy to help.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Enjoy the library.
I will. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Hotel check-in.
Good evening. I have a reservation for a room tonight.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel in New York. What is your last name, please?
My name is Anna Petrova.
Thank you, Miss Petrova. Let me check the system. Ah, yes, I see it. A room for 2 nights?
That's right. Is my room ready now?
Yes, it is. We have a quiet room for you on the 5th floor with a city view.
That sounds lovely. Thank you. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Okay. And is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is. Here is the network name and password for you.
Thank you. I have another question. The taxi from the airport was very expensive.
I understand. The traffic in New York can be difficult.
Is there a subway station near the hotel?
Yes, there is one just around the corner. It's very convenient.
Oh, perfect. That will make my day.
It's much cheaper and often faster than a taxi.
I will definitely use the subway tomorrow. Thank you for the tip.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that is all for now. Can I have my room key, please?
Of course. Here is your key card for room 512. The elevators are on your right.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your stay in New York.
Thank you. I will.
Making a doctor's appointment. Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor.
Good morning. Is this your first time at our clinic in Miami?
Yes, it is. I am a new patient.
Okay, I can help with that. Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's Carlos Garcia.
Thank you, Mr. Garcia. And your date of birth?
March 15th, 1992.
Got it. What is the reason for your visit? Is it an emergency?
Oh no, it's not an emergency. I just need a general checkup.
I see. Let me check the doctor's schedule. When are you free?
I am free next week in the afternoon.
Okay. We have an opening next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Does that work for you?
Tuesday at 2 p.m. Yes, that is perfect for me.
Great. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Please remember to bring your insurance card and a photo ID with you to the appointment.
Okay, my insurance card and my ID, I will remember.
We also ask that new patients arrive 15 minutes early to fill out some paperwork.
Arrive 15 minutes early. Sounds like a plan.
It just helps things run smoothly. We will send you a text message to remind you the day before.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
So we will see you next Tuesday at 2 p.m.
Yes, thank you for your help. You've been as clear as a bell.
You're very welcome, Mr. Garcia. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye. A new friend in a coffee shop.
Excuse me, all the other tables are full. Is this chair free?
Yes, of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you so much. It is very busy in here today. My name is Maya.
I'm Alex. It's nice to meet you, Maya.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from around here? You seem to know the city.
I am. I grew up here in Seattle. What about you? I don't recognize your accent.
I am from South Korea. I moved here for my job about 6 months ago.
Welcome to Seattle. I hope you like it here.
I do. The people are friendly, but the rain is something new for me.
Yes, you have to get used to the rain. We call it liquid sunshine.
That's funny. I see you are reading a book about art. Do you like art?
I love it. I'm an art student at the local college.
That's wonderful. I enjoy visiting museums on the weekend.
Really? There's a new exhibition at the Seattle Art Museum this month.
Oh, I didn't know that. It sounds interesting.
I was planning to go this weekend. It's always more fun to go with someone.
Are you asking me to go with you?
Yes, if you're free. I know it's out of the blue, but you seem nice.
I would love to. I am free on Saturday afternoon.
Great. It's a date then. We can meet there.
It is so nice to make a new friend.
I agree. It can be hard to meet people.
This must be my lucky day.
Mine too. What time should we meet on Saturday? How about 1 p.m. at the museum entrance?
Perfect. I'll see you on Saturday, Alex.